no Selenium certification, no official Selenium certification. But nowadays, so many training institutions providing Selenium certification, no value for that one. Suppose in any interview or any resume, not resume, in any interview, if you face this question, do you have Selenium certification? Then you can say, no, I don't have Selenium certification, because Selenium certification is invalid. Selenium certification is invalid. Why? No vendor for Selenium. No vendor for Selenium. Okay, just a minute. Selenium. Where is that one? Support. Here observe Srinivas. Just a minute, I will increase the font size. Observe. Can you view my desktop properly?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What they are saying? Certificate regarding certification and training. Observe this line. There is no officially recognized Selenium certificate available, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And one more thing. See here, they clearly declare we not have authorized anyone to offer official Selenium certification, and anyone who claims to offer it is misusing the Selenium project's trademark. Getting the point, Sindhu?
Yes, sir. I got it, sir. Thank you.
See, this is about today's class. We are going to close the today's session. Any queries regarding this today's class? First, Himo.
I am good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Ajaz Tarif.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Sandhya.
Good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Nayak not able to respond, I think. Srinivas.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow, same time.